What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK550HYD-TK. This is going to be our hydraulic brake kit for a 3,500 pound axle with Timken bearings. You can see right here, this is the box you'll get it in. Got our nice logo on it. We got two smaller boxes down in here that'll hold everything nice and neat while it gets to you. Then we have our two smaller boxes here. We'll open these up. We can see right here, you got your true ride drum with our 1/2 inch zinc coated studs. And the way we measure these bolt patterns is from stud to nearest stud, and on these that's going to be 3 inches center to center. We can see our races are already pressed in on both sides. Then we got our backing plate. This is going to be our true ride hydraulic backing plate. We can see right here we got the hydraulic piston along with our connections on the back. The way we determine left and right hand on this is going to be this part right here is facing your truck. And then we'll come over here, pull all of our small parts out. Got our other true ride Hummin' drum and our other backing plate. And with this kit you're going to get 2 Hummin' drums, a left hand and a right hand backing plate. And we're going to have our Timken bearings. You're going to get an inner and an outer for either side. The smaller one's going to be your outer, and that's going to be the L44649. And that's just going to pop in right there. And then your inner is going to be the L68149, and that's just going to pop in right here on the inside. These are the Timken bearings. They do have the stamp Timken on them, and they are made in the US. Then we have our mounting hardware for our backing plates. We're going to have our 8 studs, 8 washer, and 8 nuts. So these are just going to pop in right here. Pop it through the plate on the axle. Pop your washer on and your nut on. And good to go. Then we have our 2 seals. You get one for either side, so you can see right there. And with these, we'll pop our bearing in. And then we'll pop our seal on just like that. Then we're going to get lug nuts. We're going to get 10 lug nuts. We're going to get 2 castle nuts and 2 cotter pins. And most guys won't send you the cotter pins. We like to make sure that you have what you need for every application. So we can see our castle nut right here. This is going to pop onto your spindle, and then you just put the cotter pin right through like that, hold it on there nice and neat. Then we're going to have 4 grease caps. And the reason that we get 4 of these is we have 2 different types, one with the hole, one without. This with the hole is going to be for your easy lube spindle. You can see these are going to come with the rubber plug and the tang washers. And the tang washers do replace the cotter pins. So then we're going to have our regular grease cap for the regular spindle with our regular spindle washer. And it's pretty much that simple, guys. Thanks for watching. That was the BK550HYD-TK.